Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you the Intuit Credit Karma review. So let's get started. So now we're diving into the Credit Karma High Yield Savings Account, also known as the Credit Karma Money Save. Credit Karma Money is a financial services platform offering this high yield savings account with an impressive 3.60% APY, which is much higher than national average. This account is designed to help you earn more on your savings with interest compounding on different schedules based on the bank. To open a Credit Karma Money Save account, you need to be a Credit Karma member and have a valid Social Security number or TIN. The good news is that there is no minimum balance required and there are no monthly maintenance, transfer, or withdrawal fees. You can even set up automated savings, allowing you to grow your money without any extra effort. Additionally, Credit Karma Money offers a checking account called Credit Karma Money Spend, which includes a Visa debit card, early payday, and up to $20 overdraft protection if you set up a $750 monthly direct deposit. While Credit Karma Money has received mostly positive reviews for its high yield and lack of fees, some users have raised concerns about customer service and other controversies involving the company. So even though this savings account can be a great option for its high APY, make sure you check rates from other banks too. And remember, with any online banking, it's important to protect your personal and financial information. So I hope this review helps, and that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.